Hello, my name is Kathy Hart, President of ClearVision Consulting. Welcome to my video series about the manager's role in developing employees. Every person has talents and strengths they're good at, as well as limitations or skill gaps that need to be developed. Your role as a manager is to identify what are the talents and the skill gaps that your employee has and have that mesh with your larger organization and your team. It's like working on a puzzle. Each puzzle piece has shapes and colors, sizes and markings that need to be determined. You have to study that. The same thing you need to do for your direct reports. You need to study what are their strengths and what are their skill gaps. And then you need to connect and interlock those pieces of the puzzle to form this beautiful picture. Just like you need to do in finding out what people work together well within your team, what are the best types of projects for people to work on, who interlocks and works better together. In the last video, we talked about having your employees create two columns of what do they like to do, what do they prefer not to do, and what are their jobs and opportunities. Now you need to dig deeper. You really need to unearth what are the strengths and skill gaps of your direct report. The process I recommend is a number of different steps. The first one is to have your employees do the Clifton Strengths Finder assessment. It's located in this book called the Strengths Finder 2.0. It was put out by Gallup in 2001, and it helps people figure out what are their strengths and what are they good at. At the back of the book, there is an actual code that you can use that your employees can input into the computer and take the assessment. The next thing is that you want to actually have a conversation with your direct report. You can use the results of the Strengths Finder assessment to review what did they discover, what did they learn about themselves, what are their strengths, and find out from them, does this equate with what they've been thinking their strengths were? Once you've done that, another opportunity is to take it to your team. Use it as a team activity. Get all of your direct reports together and have them share with each other, first of all, what do they believe now are their strengths and their skill gaps, and then have them share with their teammate what they believe their teammate's strengths and skill gaps are. And you can do this as a round robin in your team. And then finally, you need to do direct observation. Carve out some time in your schedule. Go out and actually observe your employee in action. Maybe it's them participating in a team meeting. Maybe it's them leading the team. Perhaps it's a meeting with a client or a field activity that they're doing, or maybe something on a construction site. Take the time to identify the strengths and skill gaps with your direct report. The results will be illuminating for both of you. Stay tuned for our next video, recommending learning opportunities. And until next time, may you have clarity in developing your direct reports.